Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
This procedure resets the oil maintenance light on Lexus models from 2007 to 2024, covering common IS, ES, RX, NX, GX, and LS variations. You need to know the ignition method for your car, confirm the odometer or trip display is visible, and make sure the battery reads above 12. 0V to prevent interruption. Reset takes under 5 minutes and does not require tools for push-button models. If your vehicle uses a key-turn ignition, the steps are similar, but require precise key positions. For push-button start Lexus vehicles, park with the brake applied and tap the start button twice to set ignition on without starting the engine. Use the steering cluster or dash to select trip or the odometer display so the reset sequence can proceed. Hold the odometer/trip reset button until the maintenance light begins to flash and displays D001 or a similar code. Then press and hold the start button and the odometer button together until the indicator resets to 0000 and the maintenance light goes out. For key turn ignition models, insert the key and turn to the on position without starting the engine. Do not crank. Press and hold the trip/odometer button until the maintenance light displays D001 or the service code. Then continue holding until the display clears to 0000 and the light extinguishes. After resetting, turn the key off and then start the engine to verify the maintenance light stays off. Check the multi-information display for any remaining warning codes, and if any persist, repeat the sequence or consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.